Hello everyone and welcome to another vlog. It's me, Pierre Farrugia and Angelo. Today we are in Ta Qali, which now we refer to as Ta Qali. This was used during World War II because here there was a World War II airfield, so on. And as you know, in war you have to go underground not to be discovered and bombarded, and hence there is this place. I don't have the exact why it was used, but we're going to explore this place together. So let's start. Well, here what we can see is like the hangars that are in this area, but they are underground. We don't know exactly why they were used, but we're going to discover. It looks like only a hangar here, aren't you?
Yes, it's quite big, the entrance.
Ah, there's another entrance here, a shaft. A tunnel actually. Well, this tunnel is about 1 meter in height, approximately. There has been some rockfall. Here the tunnel was being excavated. Then they changed direction, as you can see here. Remember, this is a World War II site. We are still going in this tunnel. Here the height is a little bit better than it was before. As you can see, everywhere is underground here to avoid bombing, because this was a heavily bombarded place since it was Ta Qali airfield. And here I think we reached, yes, another open space again. And here we can see that it continues on inside, so it's looking very interesting. Angelo is coming up from the tunnel. We have another open space, aren't you? Look.
It's quite interesting.
And I think here it was used for something good, because it's a little bit far away than other buildings that you are used here in World War II. So not to be bombarded, because if it's near the runway, it's easily bombarded. And has some big space here. Have some rock falls here, yes, everywhere. You have to take care here. And here leads to the outside there. Let's check. Here it's fascinating because it's quite big, and I don't think this was used like a hospital or something, because the hospital was the one we covered before at Imtarfa. Yes. That's why it was built. This I will put a link below. And but here continues because we have another tunnel to proceed. But let me go in first. Well, now we're going to enter this tunnel. We have some steps, and here there's an interesting thing. Look, Angelo. You know what's this? This was fixed to the walls.
Yeah,
so they were like an insulator. If you look here, we can see like the same like it all the way. So let me start going in here. There has been some collapse here as well. So people take care. It's like flaking the wall. And it's about 20 meters from one open space to the other. We're still going on here. There's a lot of dust. I don't know why. And here we have to crawl, unfortunately, because it has been like a lot of debris dumped in here, but it's nothing so big, and it's full of nasty flies. Not flies, mosquitoes, aren't you?
Past the lights, I think.
Yeah, and wires, and insulators. It's quite interesting. Now we have found some a lot of debris here. We have to go crawling, aren't you?
Okay.
Look, I have to crawl here. Nothing out of this world, but we'll have to do it. We go. Now we are used to go on all fours, aren't you? Getting dirty. It's not that comfortable here with all these rocks, but do happen. No, it's closed here, aren't you? Unfortunately. It has been blocked off. Maybe we have to go from the outside and check.
There's another entrance, huh?
Yes. Yeah, here is blocked off for sure. Now let's get out of here and check if we find another entrance to continue. Now we are backing off, so we go outside and we try to find another entrance. Maybe that continues with that tunnel. Here is one of the things why we are not going to disclose the area of this place. Look how much rockfall there is. It's not that stable. People can be quite dangerous here. But now we are in the second hall or opening, and we are going outside. Maybe we'll find another place to go in. Just out of stones here. Well, here we find another entrance from the outside. Since there's a lot of rock fall, we're going to keep this place undisclosed, its location, because it's a little bit dangerous. But it's another hole, everyone connected to the other. Most probably was used to grow some kind of animals. Around here where we found the closed entrance. You see? Here. And unfortunately it's sealed off on the other part, so we have to find the other parts. And here is closed, we have to find, I think it's connected, there's more. Well, we have to continue until we find them all. From the outside we have found, this is the fifth hall or chamber that we are visiting now. You can see Angelo in front of me. You can see how big it is.
Seems different from the ceiling.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling you it's not safe here, because all the halls we are going, everywhere there is rock falls, which are very dangerous. People can get trapped inside here. Let's hope, Ange, because this is the fifth one. The fourth one was closed. Hope we find tunnels that we can go back to the fourth and maybe go to the sixth. Let's see what we find. But looks like there are the tunnels here. Look how the rock follow, how it's big, yeah. There is to continue to number. This is to continue to the sixth, and this one to the fourth, because we are on the fifth one. Okay. Let's see if it's open. Yes, well, here we can explore. So what do you think? We go in?
Yes, we go in.
Now is my turn to join Angelo. This shit, boom. Oh. I'm coming, Ange. We came from there. Now we have 90 degrees and 90 degrees. Most probably these were done for the blast. So from one place doesn't transfer to the other side. Boom. There's a lot of rock falls here. What do you think, Ange?
Yes, oh, be careful, because
hey, even I had the ceiling.
yeah, the ceiling
Better I don't touch even the walls.
is quite flaky, so you have to take good care. Great care.
So yeah, boom, my head.
Yes, there was manual intervention for sure.
Yes, yes. And this is here. This is chamber number 4. It's like the other, Sarah. This is the tunnel that was blocked, Sarah, from 3 to number 4. And here these are like the other, Sarah. There's a lot of rock falls everywhere we look, Sarah. I'm getting to wonder, as you told me, if this is falling from the ceiling, but it's or not, these big rocks. And here, Angelo, there's something that let down, but it's blocked. And they are nearly all the same size, aren't you?
Yes, since that they were used either warehouses to store something, I don't know, during that time.
Who knows? Because shelters not for sure, because they are too big.
Shelters not for sure.
Look at the I-beam there. So let's go to number 5 again. And from 5 we go to 6. We are going to the 5th now, aren't you? Back.
We are going to the 5th.
And then you go to the 6th.
Then we will find the entrances to the other.
There is very low here. Now we are going in the tunnel at the back of each chamber to the 6th hall. Everywhere you see there's a lot of rock falls, but here at least you can walk properly.
Quite the same here, yeah.
Yes, they are all like
Tunnel connecting each other.
exactly.
One to another. And they are the same.
Yes.
I think they were used as stores for sure.
This one is the same, So, and if you look down inside here, we don't need to go in so deep. There's a very old, this I think knows the word, don't you? Maybe it was for cooking or for pissing.
Cooking or
Pissing, like a portable toilet of that time.
yes, or to wash their face or to wash their bodies.
It's quite opposite, aren't you? And here is blocked off again. It's blocked off here, aren't you?
Yes.
Here's some free, some new falls, rock falls. Well, now we are going in chamber number 7, from 6 going to 7. It's quite a clean tunnel here with little rock fall. Here you can see where they used to pass electricity. Here. And here there's another fall or debris like on the other part, but it can easily be negotiated and we pass. Let me show you. Here we have to go up some rubble here, and because and it's man-made, not like fallen, nothing. Here it's a little bit tighter with the baggy. And we are in another chamber or a hall. I don't know what to call it anymore, but it's quite interesting. And there's a passage there. Wait for Angelo to come. Take care, Ange. And it's like the others here, Ange. Nothing. It's not worth it. We look so much time. But here there's exit, which is on the side, not like the others. On the back, actually, on this side. I am very curious if this is rockfall, but look, Cara here.
It seems that this fell from here.
I think so, ta.
Was it right if we can put some rubble here?
Sure.
Outside?
And here, let's see what we have. It's going up with some fresh air coming. Lots of rubble again. And here I think it's closed off.
Close this here, huh?
With a fridge.
Oh.
But let's see.
Yeah.
Yes, and a lot of rubbish, unfortunately. Here we cannot continue on. It's blocked off. Oops. We have to go back now to exit outside and try to find another entrance, aren't you? Hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Today we are at Ta Qali, and we know you know it at Ta Qali. This is a World War II site. It's very close to the airfield at that time, for the World War II. It's me, Pierre Farrugia and Angelo. Hope you like and subscribe to both our channels. And until next time, bye bye. What do you think, Ange?
Good.
We go for a beer?
Yes.
They should start sponsoring us and the tea, Let's go.